Welcome back. Today we are looking at the real power of Sony FE50mm F18 standard lens SEL50F18F2 black analysis. As a professional mechanical engineer, my approach to evaluating optical equipment extends far beyond aesthetic image rendering or subjective color science. When we deconstruct a precision photographic tool like the Sony FE50mm F1.8 standard lens SEL50F18F2, we must look closely at dimensional tolerances, material selection, kinematic performance of internal moving parts, and thermal stability. Check the video description for the updated price link. While often categorized inches, broader discussions alongside telephoto systems like the Sony 70 to 200mm GM lens lineage for its focal utility, this compact standard prime offers a fascinating study, Inch's minimalist design and cost-optimized mechanical engineering. Inch's mechanical design, achieving maximum structural efficiency with minimal mass, is a primary objective. Weighing inches at a mere 186 grams, this standard prime lens utilizes advanced polymer composites for its external chassis while maintaining a rigid, high-grade metal mount interface. Inch's this technical review, we will rigorously examine the internal build quality, optical assembly tolerances, actuation systems, and real-world performance metrics to determine if its mechanical architecture meets the rigorous demands of professional deployment. When disassembling or analyzing the structural layout of the Sony FE50mm F1.8, the primary design philosophy centers around weight minimization and straightforward kinematic paths. The outer barrel is constructed from high-tensile engineering plastics, which exhibit high fatigue resistance and adequate impact absorption. However, engineers know that plastic structural components must be carefully ribbed internally to prevent flexure under torsional load. The lens mount, conversely, is fabricated from solid chromium-molybdenum steel or aluminum alloy with precise machining tolerances. This ensures that the interface between the camera body and the lens flange remains rigid, eliminating microplay that could otherwise induce optical axis misalignment. For users interested in Inch's balancing their studio and field gear selections with other precision-engineered equipment, you can read our related product guide for insights on tactile hardware standards. From an optical standpoint, the internal layout consists of 6 elements, Inch's 5 groups, including an aspherical element designed to correct spherical aberration and field curvature. Inch's lens design. Spherical aberrations occur when light rays striking the outer edges of a spherical lens refract at a steeper angle than rays striking near the center. By integrating a precisely molded aspherical profile, Sony engineers successfully flattened the focal plane, ensuring edge-to-edge sharpness even at wider apertures. The anti-reflective coating applied to the glass elements minimizes internal scattering and ghosting. When light passes through multiple refractive indices, unwanted internal reflections can degrade contrast. The multi-layer deposition coating acts as a destructive interference filter, boosting light transmission efficiency and maintaining structural fidelity in Inch's high-contrast lighting environments. Fast f1.8 maximum aperture allows ample light gathering for low light conditions and offers a shallow depth of field for subject isolation. Aspherical element integration minimizes chromatic and spherical aberrations to yield high-resolution output across the frame. DC motor actuation system provides reliable linear movement for autofocus tracking, optimized for compact payload configurations. Circular aperture mechanism features a 7-blade circular diaphragm that produces smooth, natural background bokeh elements. Ultra-lightweight kinematic profile weighing only 186 g. It minimizes rotational inertia when mounted on gimbals or handheld rigs. The mechanical actuation of autofocus is driven by a DC motor system. Unlike high-end ring-type ultrasonic motors USM or dual linear XD motors found in Inch's flagship telephoto models, this DC motor setup utilizes a geared transmission mechanism to shift the internal focusing group. From a mechanical engineering perspective, this results in Inch's a slightly audible operation during rapid hunting phases, but it delivers consistent positioning accuracy for standard photographic tasks. Check the link in the description to get yours today.